How you guys doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings, and today I was going to talk to you just quickly about Diamondback bed covers. We just ordered this one in for a particular customer, and very nice. It's got the shine finish on it. You can order it with Line-X finish if you want as well. And these things are extremely heavy duty. They got pictures of four-wheelers mounted up on top of them, and they're just all around a real aggressive, heavy duty, nice cover in an arena where a lot of the covers are crappy. These covers are definitely not. I especially like the way that you can open both compartments like this. They are shock assisted, so they stay open by themselves. They got a really nice opening mechanism. As you can see, it's all welded construction underneath there. We've got cross beams. Just overall, real heavy duty, well built cover. And I like them. I like them a lot. That's it. Thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. Just wanted to show you this.